A lot of us like to eat patties. My favorite patties is juicy beef patty. Yeah, that one day. I like the juicy beef. I like to insert the cheese in it and eat it all up. Because in Jamaica me live, so guess what? Them not do cheese patty over here, so. So for me to eat a cheese patty, me have to buy a beef patty and then me have to insert the cheese in it. But apart from all of that rubbish with me I talk about, them have a new patty out on the scene. Yeah, you see correct. Stew peas patty. What? So the question is there gonna be pig's tail in this patty? Cause you know say stew peas can't go good without pig's tail in it. Right? For all of the people them who don't eat pork, look away right now. Stew peas. We'll all love our stew peas and rice, stew peas and dumpling, stew peas and spinners. But this patty now is just stew peas. Well, I'm not too sure if this one are gonna make it up to the United States or the UK. But for the people them in Jamaica, wanna enjoy on a stew peas patty. Cause right now, me couldn't do with some stew peas. But because me can't cook, me just have to do it out.